Hi, today I'm making zucchini sticks, and I had a bunch of zucchini left over. So I have a half a cup of avocado oil. I have about 3 or 4 sliced zucchini. You can slice them however you like. I had a bunch left over, so I wanted to use them today. It's a half a cup of flour, 2 eggs, and then a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And so you're going to start with Italian seasoning. And I also then add a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and a teaspoon of onion powder to my egg mixture. And so I'm going to mix that because that's where all my flavors are. And as you can see here, I'm just basically going to start with, we're going to put the zucchini in the flour, and then in the egg mixture, and then finally in the panko breadcrumbs. And so this, again, is a very simple recipe. It takes about 10 minutes to make. It's not difficult, as you can see here. My main thing is that I wanted to just use a little bit healthier option.